Welcome everyone to Central Park and the Sister Cities International bell ringing event to commemorate 75 years of peace between the US and Japan since the bombings at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. I'd like to welcome especially Mayor Sean Dowse, who at the City Council meeting a couple weeks ago proclaimed August 5th through August 12th Red Wing Ikata Town Peace Week. Ikata, as you may know, is our sister city in Japan. Sister Cities International has organized events essentially in any city in the United States that has a sister city in Japan has been invited to do this. I know that our sister city in Japan, this is timed so that it is tomorrow morning at 6:10 here, tomorrow morning at 8:10 or whatever. They're 14 hours ahead of us, which means we're corresponding to the August 6th bombings. So if you check your history books, it was August 6th in Japan, which is what it is right now. What we're trying to plan here is if the people with bells will kind of come down and spread themselves across the park, socially distant, but sort of down this way. When the appointed time comes, we're going to start at one side, and Gretchen will probably start, and then add bells as we go along. So once you start ringing, keep ringing.